Okay. Hello, my name is Mariana. I am from Croatia. I will represent you now my colleagues. Here is Igor. He teaches mathematics and physics, and Vitka, she teaches mathematics, and Ines, she teaches vocational mathematics. So I decided to speak after Jürgen. Where is Jürgen?
Yep.
Okay, after him, because our educational system is similar, like German, but German maths is better organized than ours. You will see now why. So we cannot represent our country, but you can see where is our country here. So our national curricula, school curricula. Okay, and school curricula is the same in all country. Ministry makes curricula, and it's very old. It's from 1990s. We have now reform in education, but it will be like 10 years from now that we are going to see the results of reform. So I will represent now curricula. The accepted start of the new curriculum is 2020. Okay, in our school, it's a high school, it's a vocational school. And we have 3 grades. It's only 3 years old school, vocational school. So in German, you are going to a vocational school at age of 17. In Croatia, you are done at age 17. You are coming to our school at age of 14, 15. We have 8 years old primary school, 8 years old, and then you are going to the gymnasium or to vocational school. We have 4 years vocational school and 3 years vocational school. We are 3 years vocational school. 4 of us are coming from 3 years vocational school. Okay, this is the age, 14, 15, first grade, 15, 16, or 16, 17, third grade. And this is the timing, 2 hours per week, 70 hours in first and second, and 64 hours in third grade of mathematics. I don't know how many hours you have per week, other countries. We have only 2 hours in our vocational school. In gymnasium, it's like 4 or 5 hours per week. In technical school, it's 3 or 4 hours per week. It's the most difficult vocational school. It's technical school, and they have 3 or 4 hours per week. Okay, this is like the first grade. We are teaching. It's okay. We have 2 types of mathematics. It's mathematics and it's vocational mathematics. In vocational mathematics, it's applied mathematics, but it's not well organized. So I will not represent that mathematics. I will represent this one because the problems are bigger in mathematics. It's pure mathematics. No much examples of applying teaching mathematics. So I will ask Jürgen if I can. If you can give me your book, so I will translate it on Croatian, and we will teach using your books, not ours anymore. So we teach numbers, national, whole, rational, real, okay? It's basic calculations, adding, subtracting, multiplying, fractions, only basic calculations, and then we teach equations and functions. It's a linear equations and non-equations, and also linear functions and graph of linear functions. But it's only in theory. It's we have like, I don't know, 2 or 3 examples to show where they can apply it. And the exams are not with applying; they are with actual knowledge, theoretical knowledge. Then we teach polynomials. Geometry, I think it's like the same, but the teaching ways is different. No, this first grade. In polynomials, potency, polynomial multiplication, square stage, the difference of square. Okay, Jürgen showed you one slide, and he said it's boring. So this is boring for, I don't know, 2 months.
For Jürgen, only for Jürgen. For you not.
For me, no, it's boring.
No.
It's polynomials. Geometry, triangle, circle, and polygons, and then it's summer, and bye-bye, no national exams after this year. Then second year, we teach numbers, but in second year, complex numbers. We don't see how our kids can apply complex numbers in vocational, except maybe electrical, but it's too difficult for them because our students, they didn't pass primary school. They were let go to our school. They have positive degree, but it's given to them. Just go away to vocational school. So we teach them complex numbers. We don't know why, but we must teach. Equations and functions, we teach them a quadratic function and its graph, exponential and logarithmic function. We also, I don't know what to say to you, quadratic equation, exponential and logarithmic equations also. In trigonometry, we teach trigonometric function in right triangle in second grade. It's age 15, 16. Okay, this is the most important thing in all their schooling. This part, trigonometry on right triangle, because of their vocations. Geometry, geometric bodies, cube, cubit, roller, cone, ball. We are calculating the surface area and volume of geometric solids. This is the second grade. And the third grade, final grade, it's we teach linear function and then implicit, explicit sectional equation of a line. Distance from point to line, equations of a perpendicular or parallel line through a point, relationship or of a circle and a line, and so on. In trigonometry, we teach trigonometric circle, trigonometric functions, trigonometry on triangle. In third grade, it's not a right angle triangle, it's just triangle, okay? Like sine and cosine theorem, and they are applying that in their vocations, if it's possible. Conic, circle, hyperbole, parabole, ellipsis, and just like 1 month of this. Like I said, it's only 2 hours per week. So it's just, I show them what's that, how that's look, what's the equation, okay, let's move on. We don't have time to do anything. But on important stuff like sine or cosine, we decide to stay like 2 months. And that's why we don't have time to do other things more. Okay, I translate the exam of first grade. This is their knowledge for pass. They need to solve that exam to pass. It's only for, we have 5 grades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is the best. 1 you drop. Okay, this is for 2. This is for 2, but finally it was like half of that for 2. Okay, it's not heavy, but for them it's heavy. You see, you see this. Draw all triangles you know and write the description. And they don't do that. It's only 2 hours per week. So teaching maths should look like this in our school, but really it looks like this. We don't have tablets, computers, projectors in a few classrooms. We have 1,000 pupils, but not so many equipment. This is reality. This is final grade. on my subject. This is my classroom. No equipment, but formulas on walls.
Yeah.
And come to Croatia. This is Dubrovnik and Hvar.